What's going on, Hot Wheels collectors? Today I have a look at the fresh, new for 2026 Hot Wheels F-Case, and it is now hitting stores. It is the very tail end of March. It is March 29th, so these cars will be hitting stores very soon. This is the West Coast, so they're hitting now. And anyways, these are the three new models for the F-Case. And you have the Diora Tuned, which is part of the Tuned series, which has the cartooned look to it. Here you can see there's a color variation in the blue. It's hard to see on video, but this one's lighter, that one's darker. The Diora 2 is definitely a sought after Hot Wheels car, so that looks awesome in blue. Next up, we have one of the coolest Hot Wheels new models, I think. It is the 2024 Aston Martin Vantage GT3 in British Racing Green. Here you can also see a slight color variation. The bottom one here is slightly darker, has nice black 10-spoke wheels. It looks absolutely fantastic. It has the lime green Aston Martin racing stripe on it. And wow, the windshield actually says Aston Martin on it. They embossed the plastic windshield, so instead of using a tampo there, wow, that's really cool. I've never seen that on a Hot Wheels car. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that or not. That looks awesome. Here's the rear of the car. It's a nice, awesome metal rear wing. Looks very good for $1.25, if I don't say so myself. And next up is the Vera Strike. And I don't know why Hot Wheels is renaming cars, but obviously this is a modified, heavily modified Corvair, and it is a flat school bus yellow color. It has Japanese kanji on the side of it. It is in the same style as the did a 67 Camaro a couple years ago that was in this same style. It's kind of cool. Has, I don't know, turbos in the back of it or something. Kind of neat. It's different. I don't think many people are going to be picking it up, but that's the deal with that. Unsurprisingly, there is no Honda Civic Super Treasure Hunt, and there is no regular mainline, e.g. Honda Civic as well. The store that I went to, the pegs were fresh. They were only there for maybe a day or two. Literally, there was 4 of some of these new models. So that's 2 cases worth of cars. So yeah, the pegs were full, unless maybe half of the cars weren't even on the pegs and there's still some in the back. I don't know. But seeing as there was no Honda Civics, I'm guessing some scalper came and totally picked them up. But, oh well. Again, just to reiterate, here are the 3 new models. You have the Diora Tuned, 2024 Aston Martin Vantage GT3, and the Vera Strike. Let me know in the comments if you've found these cars yet. And let me know if you find the Super Treasure Hunt. It's definitely going to be one of the most sought after Super Treasure Hunts of the year. Happy hunting!